Okay, today it would seem that a massive prediction of mine is confirmed. On the screen we have my atom construction showing rotation, and this being confirmed on the Sun as being a bow and a waveform rotating, which is what I said about the atom. I said that also energy is fractal, which means doesn't matter what size this shape gets, energy turns in a bow waveform, and it is a spiral, a never-ending energy spiral. Energy is moving, nothing else is moving. Atoms do not move unless energy moves electrons. That is my theory, given by God, confirmed by Habakkuk 3:4, showing spirals coming out of God's hand. Lights, rays, horns, they all mean two spirals, double helix. And as you can see on the screen, there's my figure 8 pattern that God showed me, the continuous double loop that spins in and out of itself. So I've said that energy is moving in a spiral. What does this video show? I'm going to cut it to the scene that we need to see. And so now on screen, this is the 3D mapping that they have done of this nebula, I think it is. And what you're about to see is my spiral. This is a looped waveform spinning in a figure 8 with the both of them. Doesn't look like it because there's two rotations, but we have the big ball rotation in the middle, and then you have the smaller outer rotation. I'm going to explain a few things about the fingers that are coming from this thing in the end, but right now energy is moving through this nebula. The nebula isn't moving. Energy is moving, which is causing the atoms and matter to move. Matter doesn't move. Energy attracts matter, matter covers energy, and energy moves matter. And as you can see, those fingers there, they don't know what they are. This is the DNA energy rungs that pass between a spiral as shown here. Now, this is how I showed that we had cross-connecting rungs with clouds and storms and spiral bar galaxies, and also DNA. They all have electrical connections. These are funnels of energy, because all energy travels in a spiral or a funnel, and when a constructed bow waveform needs support, you will get a funnel coming down. Again is also shown on this picture here. And so here we see the diagram that I've shown in the previous video, showing that energy creates ladder rungs. It does it with DNA because it has to be powered in some way. Energy forms a double helix, and it has cross-connecting funnel rungs. And so I do believe my prediction is confirmed, that energy travels in a spiral. It also travels in a figure 8. Energy is moving, matter is not, and those fingers that you saw at the end are supporting structures. Energy is sending out funnel fingers, except it's on a galactic size, so it looks like bubbles, but going all the way back in, energy is fractal, and you will get this shape from the atom all the way to a galaxy. Thank you very much. My name is Lee, and I'm a Christian, and this was given to me in May 2014 in visions, and everything I applied to keeps coming true. So yeah, go watch the original video of this. They don't know what those fingers are. They're like, oh, it's got fingers, don't know what they are. Those are supporting structures which are trying to reach out to the wave that is behind it. If you follow that spiral around, it will match those fingers, because it's the Fibonacci sequence, and that's what energy does. Thank you. My name is Lee, and I'm a happy Christian.